Whether you're a first-time home buyer, an investor, or looking to downsize, this is the perfect gem for you. Let me introduce you to 102 Sunnyland on this gorgeous tree-studded street in this adorable community. Come inside and check out this great find. This darling 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo features ceramic tile floors to look like wood, freshly painted, this really cool addition in the back, a small backyard, but a big 2-car garage with rear entry. Follow us down below for more properties like this.